Hey guys, does your car's headlight look like mine? Foggy and hazy, and you can't really see at night? Keep watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your car's headlight from looking like this to this. And remember to like and subscribe if this video helps you. So not only restoring your foggy and hazy looking headlight look better and nicer, it's also brighter and helps you see better at night. So here I'm working on this car's headlight. So I'm using this headlight restore kit I bought from online, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. So here's the kit. Down below is the link. If you want, you can go buy them. So here's what's in the kit. They include a roller tape and tool, plus some 500 grit sandpaper, 800 grit, and one 3000 grit. It also includes 2 clear coat wipes. Yes, wipes. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to apply them to your headlights after you finish sanding. So to begin, get yourself some clean towels and soapy water to clean around this headlight. So to help me clean my headlights faster, I'm using this bugs and all solution that I bought from online. First, fill it up with some water, then add a little bit of the solutions in there. I'm telling you, this stuff works like magic. So down below, there's gonna be a link where you can get this. All these bugs here will be gone. Magic. So here it is. Let's see the magic working. You can use water and soap, but my headlights has a lot of bugs, so I'm just going to use the solutions that I bought. So to rinse off the chemical, I'm just going to spray some waters on the headlights, and then I'm just going to wipe it. So using the roll of tape that came with the kit, you're just gonna tape around the headlights so that when you sand, you don't sand off your clear coats. And this just to protect your clear coats. Beautiful, just like that. So next we're gonna use a drill, and we're gonna get our tool that comes with the kit, connects to this just like this. Now I'm just gonna attach this 500 grit sandpaper onto this tool just like this, and then I'm just gonna start sanding it. So there you go. If your headlight is really bad, you might want to do this a couple times. But mine is okay. So next, what you want to do is you want to spray and get this dust off. Now after the 500 grit, I'm gonna change this to an 800 grit sandpaper. I'm just gonna take this off and put on the 800 grit sandpaper. So besides dry sanding, you can also use wet sanding, but for the first 2 steps, I decided to use dry sand. Next, I'm gonna put on the 3000 grit sandpaper. So now we're gonna do the same thing like this, but to the other side here. Again, we're gonna be using this tape to go around, so when we sand it, we don't sand off our clear coats on our car. Now I'm gonna do the same thing I did over there, using the 500 grit sandpaper first. And now for the 800 grit sandpaper. I'm just gonna take this off. Now I'm gonna put on the 3000 grit sandpaper. Now that I'm finished with this one, I'm gonna go back to the other one. Now this kit came with 2 packs of clear coat wipes, but I'm just gonna use 1 pack for now. And with this 1 pack, I'm gonna apply to both my headlights. Then I'm gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna come back and apply the second to both my headlights. So here it goes. Just gonna run around like this. Now remember guys, take your time. If you miss a spot, just go back and reapply to it. And remember to wear gloves, because this stuff will get on your skin and it's gonna be hard to come off. Now once I'm done with this one, I'm gonna go to the other side. Using the same wipe, I'm gonna flip around and then apply to this headlights right here. What do you guys think about the look? Not bad, right? So now I'm just gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes, then I'm gonna come back and apply the second packs to both my headlights. Now it has been 15 minutes, so I'm gonna use the second pack to double coat my headlights. Do the top first. So we're gonna do the other one. We're gonna turn this around, or you could open up and do the underside. There you have it, guys. Not bad for something under $20. And if this video helps you, be sure to check my other videos on how to. Thanks for watching.